The Panasonic Lumix GH5S is a powerhouse for filmmakers looking to capture high-quality video without going over budget. Featuring a 10.2 megapixel digital live MOS sensor optimized specifically for video, it delivers excellent low-light performance and color accuracy, ideal for filmmakers. It captures stunning DCI 4K at 60p and Full HD 1080p at up to 240 fps, enabling ultra-smooth slow-motion footage, and offers 10-bit 4222 internal recording for advanced color grading flexibility in post-production. The GH5S is dust, splash, and freeze-resistant, equipped with dual SD card slots for uninterrupted recording, and offers impressive durability for outdoor environments. The GH5S stands out with its dual native ISO 400-2500 and an extended ISO range from 80 to 4800, providing exceptional clarity in dark settings. Filmmakers have great flexibility with its variable frame rate options, allowing for 10x slow motion at 240fp and 6.5x slow motion at 150 fps relative to 24p, perfect for capturing dramatic action sequences. Audio options are also extensive, with an optional XLR microphone adapter for capturing high-quality sound on set and timecode in-out for easy synchronization in multi-camera shoots. Shooting up to 12 FPS in AFS or 8 FPS in AFC in 12-bit RAW, giving photographers the flexibility to capture fast-moving scenes. At $2,097, the Panasonic Lumix GH5S brings a remarkable value for filmmakers, offering robust construction, cinematic quality video, and versatility for a variety of shooting environments. The Sony A6600 is a powerhouse in the mirrorless camera world, offering robust features in a highly compact and portable form. With real-time tracking and real-time IAF for both humans and animals, it ensures accurate focus in a range of scenarios, making it ideal for both portrait and wildlife photography. For videographers, the camera also includes real-time tracking for movie mode to maintain focus on moving subjects, even during fast-paced shots. The tiltable LCD screen provides easy composition from high or low angles, and with a tilt range of up to 180 degrees and down to 74 degrees, it's perfect for vlogging or selfie-style recording. The 2.359 million dot XGA OLED viewfinder ensures clear, vivid previews, and the customizable buttons and dials offer a high degree of control for on-the-go adjustments. Built with a magnesium alloy body for added durability, the A6600 is rugged enough for challenging environments, while its impressive battery life, approximately 2.2 times longer than previous models, ensures extended shooting without frequent recharging. The A6600's 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor provides high-resolution images with a sensitivity range up to ISO 32000, allowing for superb low-light performance. For videographers, the camera also supports 4K HDR HLG video recording, creating vibrant, detailed footage with rich color. Connectivity options include the Imaging Edge application for smartphone or PC integration, allowing remote control, transfer, and editing. Priced at $1,198, the Sony A6600 combines high-end features with a portable design, making it a strong choice for videographers. The Nikon D500 brings professional performance to the APS-C format, combining high speed, precision, and versatility in a robust body. Its 153-point AF system with 99 cross-type sensors provides extensive coverage, offering exceptional accuracy for tracking fast-moving subjects. Paired with up to 10 FPS continuous shooting, the D500 ensures you won't miss a single action shot. Powered by the new Xpeed 5 processor, the camera delivers excellent noise reduction even at high ISOs, with a native ISO range of 151 to 100, which can be expanded for challenging lighting conditions. The D17 multi-power battery pack boosts battery life and supports vertical shooting for flexibility, while the SB5000 Speedlight ensures precise lighting control. The optical viewfinder with an ultra-wide 30.8 degrees diagonal viewing angle gives photographers a large, clear perspective, and the touchscreen tilting 8 cm 3.2 inch LCD with a high-resolution 2359K dot display provides flexibility for framing from different angles. Videographers will appreciate the 4K UHD video recording capability for up to 29 minutes and 59 seconds, a unique feature in Nikon's DX format lineup. The compact and lightweight DX system offers additional telephoto advantages, making it easier to reach distant subjects while maintaining portability. SnapBridge keeps the D500 connected to your smartphone or tablet and ensures a constant connection for seamless sharing. Nikon's legendary Nikkor lenses unleash the full potential of the camera's 20.9 megapixel sensor, allowing for crisp, detailed images and beautiful bokeh. Priced at $1,996, the Nikon D500 is a powerful and reliable tool for filmmakers seeking high-quality performance. The Fujifilm X-T4 stands out as a highly capable mirrorless camera, particularly favored by photographers and videographers seeking portability with pro-grade functionality. Featuring in-body image stabilization, IBS, it delivers up to 6.5 stops of compensation, ensuring that images remain sharp and videos smooth, even in challenging low-light situations or while using slower shutter speeds. A unique highlight of the X-T4 is the Eterna bleach bypass film simulation, which brings a cinematic, desaturated look with high contrast to your footage and stills, reminiscent of classic film aesthetics. Constructed with weather-resistant sealing, the X-T4 is built to withstand harsh conditions, making it perfect for outdoor shooting without fear of dust, moisture, or light rain interfering with performance. For videographers, the X-T4 delivers a suite of high-end recording options, including DCI 4K at 60p for professional quality footage and Full HD at 240fps for breathtaking super slow motion captures, allowing for a variety of cinematic effects. The X-T4 autofocus works as fast as 0.02 seconds and with a burst shooting mode of up to 15 frames per second using the mechanical shutter. The camera delivers ultra-fast performance and functionality, responding to your desire to capture every split second in the best quality possible. Priced at $149, the X-T4 is an excellent value for needing both superb still image quality and advanced video capabilities in a single package. With its powerful features and Fujifilm's renowned image quality, the X-T4 is designed to meet the needs of creative professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Canon XA60 is an ultra-compact, professional camcorder designed for filmmakers and videographers who need high-quality 4K capabilities in a compact form. Equipped with a 1/2.3-inch sensor, it delivers stunning 4K footage with the option for oversampled Full HD video, providing exceptional detail even in lower resolutions. The XA60 features a 20x optical zoom lens, which allows you to get up close to your subject without sacrificing image quality. And 5-axis image stabilization ensures smooth and steady footage, even in challenging shooting conditions or handheld scenarios. Canon's hybrid autofocus system, paired with face tracking, is an essential feature for event and documentary videography. Audio capabilities are equally impressive, thanks to dual XLR inputs that support professional-grade audio capture, allowing for multi-source recordings, ideal for interviews and on-location shooting. The improved EVF, electronic viewfinder, with higher resolution and a 3.5-inch HD LED touchscreen make it easy to frame shots and monitor footage, even in bright outdoor conditions. Versatility is built into the XA60 with dual SD card slots, providing options for backup recording or extended shoot times, as well as OSD recording. It supports various recording formats, suitable for different production needs, and delivers clean output via 3G SDI or HDMI for seamless external recording and monitoring. With UVC compatibility, the XA60 also supports streaming through a computer, making it a reliable option for live events. Priced at $1,599, the Canon XA60 combines portability, professional-grade features, and versatility. Each of these cameras brings unique strengths to the table for filmmakers on a budget. Let us know in the comments which of these cameras you'd choose for your next project. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips, reviews, and gear guides.